huli. Oh, yellowfish. Oh, yellowfish. Yellowfish. Wow. Wow. Ang daming yellowfish. Sana makan. Huli yan. Ay, nakalabas yung yellowfish. Nakalabas? Parang nakalabas. Nakalabas yung yellowfish. Oh. Ayun. Baka may karpa dyan. Dahan-dahanin mo, baka nandiyan sa loob. Ito yan. Ayan, yellowfish. Oh, yellowfish. Ayun, yangga. 2. Dalawa. Wow, welcome sa 601 viewers ni Idol CJ Rivas TV. Oh, yun, sulit yung panonood nyo. Yan oh, very expensive fish. Very expensive. It's good to eat that. Kinain ko din yan. Nihaw, oh. Matigas nga lang. Yung iba. Yan, see the fish. This is good for aquarium too. Yeah. Dalawa kaagad. Ganda mga idol. Jackpot. Jackpot mga idol, oh. Very nice. Yung kaibigan ko gustong hukuha dyan pero wala pang lagyan eh. Yung si... Wala ka aquarium? Dapat ito wala ka aquarium? Pan? Maliliit mga idol, balik na. Balik yan, balik. Mga liliit, pan? Wow. Sulit. Ayan, pwedeng pang barbecue yan ya idol. Ayan mga idol. Tamtaman, yan ang masarap pa naman sa barbecue sana.
May malaki yung nakalabas na yelo, no?
Oo. Nalabas yung iba eh.
Yan mamaya, yung dilaw na yan sa barbecue.
Oo. Yung ganyang kalaliit din, masarap yan eh. Sariwa eh. Mga kon. Idol. Malambot pa. Marikina daw. No, we are not in Marikina. We are here in Taiwan, Taichung. Sa Taiwan po kami. Pag-subscribe po. That's right, brother. Let the little ones grow up. Yes, CJ, he will limit to get fish. The small one, we need to put it back to the river so that we will get more fish one day. See, we will put it back. See. Thank you for your suggestion. We are only getting the right fish. But mostly we will need to get only the big one. But now we can see later, we will barbecue them, some only. Shout out kay Makoteng Vlog. Shout out idol. Nakahuli tayo ng yellowfish or orange fish.
Wala pa ako sa bagong linggo, idol. Matagal-tagal pa.
Tagal lang pa namin. Dalawa lang, kataon pa na dalawa yung parehas kami ng day off. Yun lang. Pero wala na sa sunod yung mga day off ko pa. Isa-isa na lang yun. 6 days lang kasi yung day off ko. Maga.
Ano lang, after na tayo yung pasok niya. Pagpupuntahan tayo. Wala na. Pahinga po tayo. Walang makasama, pahinga muna tayo.
Wow, you are on the ship. Germany, boss. We are floating. We are also fishing. Wow, that's very good, guys. I have uncle from Germany. They are married there. My uncle and auntie. Shout out kay Uncle Eddie Alansigan from German. Or boss, marami ba kayong huli dyan sa Germany? Germany. Ano bang hinuhuli nyo dyan? Malalaking isda o maliliit lang? Mr. Aquarium Man. Nanguhuli daw din sila sa Germany. Oo nga.
Bawal mo